Welcome to the daily Bitcoin analysis, and you can see that yesterday we had a position open here and today it is closed. It was closed here. We got a nice profit of around 2 times of the risk. And also right after we closed, we saw a nice opportunity to enter, and we are currently in a position and it's in profits. The total amount in this account at the moment is $103. Once the price reaches this level, which is around 68,000, then we will open a sell position here. Once the price retraces after reaching this level, and you will just wait for it to reach this level. Do let me know what you think the next Bitcoin price move would be.